make the time icon bigger on any Android phone. So if you want to make the time icon bigger on any Android phone, then what you need to do, it's done through the developer options. The process is easy, and here's the guide. First, you need to open up your settings, and then you need to make sure that you've turned on your developer mode. After that, you need to search for developer mode or developer options, tap on it, and then you need to scroll down and then find the section called drawing. Once you find the section called drawing, you need to just simply scroll down, and then you will find an option of smallest width. You need to tap on it. And here, as you can see that in my case, it's 392. So if you want to make the icon bigger on your Android phone, you need to just simply enter a smaller value. The bigger the time icon and the other icons in your status bar, to be safe, you need to keep the value between 300 and 400. For example, if I change mine from 392 to, like for example, 320, and instantly you will see the time icon, battery, and status icon grow larger and much easier to read. However, you'll notice one side effect, which is the text and the app icons on your home screen also becomes bigger. Some people prefer it that way. But if you'd like to only show the status bar or the icons to stay longer while keeping your desktop icons and text normal, then here's how you can fix it. You can go back to your settings and type font in the search bar. Tap on it, or just simply go with the font size or text size. And here you can reduce the text size back to your preferred level. Then go back again and this time type icons in the search bar and open icon settings, and you'll be able to adjust the size of the desktop icons. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.